Hey guys, for Christmas I just got this Swiss Army pocket knife and I'm going to show you everything about it. So if you open this up, this is a can opener and this is a screwdriver. Then if you open this up, this is a can opener and I'm not sure what this is for yet, but I'll figure it out at some point. This is a saw to cut. This here is a knife. This, I believe, is just the same knife, just a little smaller. Okay. This here is a screwdriver. And this is another knife. It's kind of hard to get out. It's another knife, I believe. And I forgot to tell you about the secrets. This, you guys might not think this is anything, but just wait till you open it. It's a toothpick. Okay, now, you may have noticed that there's something on the other side too. That comes out too. Those are tweezers. So yeah. Thanks for watching.